Hi, Kent Hansen here, President at Anoka-Ramsey Community College. I just want to let you know that I love our mural. I love the fact that it was built from our employees and students through the design to actually painting the mural. I love the fact that it represents who we are as a college. I love the fact that it represents our commitment to equity and inclusion. I love the fact that it is big and bold and clearly displayed in our entrance into the bulge area of the college. Quite frankly, I just love our mural. I want to thank Rachel Breen for bringing this notion forward and organizing it. Just love it. Thank you, everybody.
Hi, everyone. My name is Rachel Breen, and I'm a professor of art at Anoka-Ramsey Community College and also the chair of the art department. And it's my great pleasure to celebrate the unveiling of this amazing mural at Anoka-Ramsey Community College. It's hard to believe that over 2 years ago, we were writing a grant proposal for this project, which successfully was funded by the Minnesota State Arts Board. Thank you so much, Minnesota State Arts Board, for this incredible gift of financial support, which has allowed us to make this incredible mural. Also would really love to thank Greta McLain, the amazing artist who's worked with us for 1.5 years, and Jess Shimmick, the CLA who works at Anoka-Ramsey in the art department, who also played a big role in helping us, doing a lot of the work and tasks that you don't see. I would like to thank Lindsay Schiller, who works with the foundation at Anoka-Ramsey Community College, for the role that she's played in facilitating this project. But most importantly, I want to thank the students, the staff, and the faculty at Anoka-Ramsey Community College for participating fully, wholeheartedly in making this project happen. You all helped us think about what we wanted this mural to be about, what we wanted it to look like. You helped make it, you helped paint it. And finally, most importantly, I want to thank our mural mentees. Throughout this project, we actually trained and had assisting us students who helped us to lead all of the projects, all of the group work that was essential for making this project happen in the way that it did, with incredible broad-based community support. We could not have done this without you, and you should take a great amount of pride in this incredible, beautiful mural that graces the walls at Anoka-Ramsey, that represents so much about who we are and also who we aspire to be as a community. You've helped us visualize our aspirations and how we see ourselves, which is really powerful and so wonderful. I am so happy to take this ribbon and symbolically cut it as a symbol that our mural has been unveiled. And when it is safe to do so, I welcome all of you, invite you to come and bask in the beauty of this incredible mural. Enjoy it when it is safe to do so, and know that you have all been a part of making this incredible space of ours even more beautiful for years to come. Thank you so much, everyone.
Hi, everyone. My name is Greta McLain, and I am the lead artist and owner of Good Space Murals, and it has been my total pleasure to work with Anoka-Ramsey Community College on this beautiful and giant community art effort that is the My Story, Your Story, Our Story mural project. Rachel already said a million thank yous that I also agree with. Thank you, Lindsay, Rachel, Jess, and all of the faculty, staff, students at Anoka-Ramsey. I want to add like an extra thank you to the administration of Anoka-Ramsey for trusting Rachel, for trusting the art department, for trusting me and my crew and all of the mural mentees in this beautiful exploration, visual exploration of how we can further connect and how we can use art as a connector, especially during these COVID times and during these times when we really do need each other. More than ever. I think that was true before COVID, and now it's even more true. I would also just like to say thank you, Rachel Breen, for trusting in me and Good Space with this project. again, it has been our total honor, and it has just, this project has been such a balm for us to get to focus on this year. I wish I was there in person with everybody, but I also want to just give a shout out to some of my Good Space team, Vivi Greco, Kenny Calavig, and Jackie Rosenbush for holding it down backstage on the Good Space end. And man, hats off to the Mural mentees. Your dedication to this project, you're choosing into this project, you're standing in front of your peers and asking hard and alternative and weird questions, and really using art as a connector has been so awe-inspiring for me. And I'm so proud of getting to just work with you. So thank you for choosing into this. Thank you for all the painters. Thank you for everybody that came and put their mark on this. Thank you for my portrait artists who took pieces of the polytab home and then and painted their own portraits, and I got to bring them back and glue them on the wall. Thank you for everybody for being so flexible with these different alternative mural techniques during this COVID time. So I too would like to celebrate with you in person soon when it's safe on the wall. And I have a piece of polytab that I'm using as a ribbon, and I also want to cut it. Bam! Congratulations, this mural is spectacular, and it is my total honor to have been a part of it. Thank you.
Just go crazy. That's what art is, right? Just go crazy.
I thought that it was interesting, and I've never done anything quite like it before.
Next page, so go to a different drawing.
A lot of people don't feel connected at all, and this is a great way to like get people out of their shells and be part of the school.
Totally not connected. So those are things that the campus is hearing right now and wants to work.
Normally kind of like in their own bubble, but once we start doing some of these activities, they start opening up.
It was kind of like a team effort. It was very creative.
Kind of just brought us all together as a Anoka-Ramsey class and community.
So our project is called My Story, Your Story, Our Story. And that's kind of...
Our community is a people who are really hardworking and scrappy and smart.
A lot of working students and alternative age students.
Entering here, like, I felt welcomed, I felt accepted for once.
The school really supports an all are welcome type of environment, but the walls don't necessarily tell that story. And just be aware of what the walls are communicating or not. We're in phase 1, which is the beginning of the design phase. We have not started to draw even. Learning about ourselves and what collaboration looks like.
We just ran the mural workshop for the new mural that's going to be going up.
It's been really exciting to train a group of college students to actually run these sessions.
So I'm a mural mentee, so I get to help lead workshops.
I'm learning team building.
So I was really excited to be a part of something and finally be in a leadership position and also be involved in a community at school.
They're having this amazing opportunity and experience of learning what it's like to do real public engagement that will actually result in a real physical project. And that's very rare, especially for students at a community college level.
We are going to be taking all of the different kinds of information that we have been able to gather. We are going to be starting the actual drawing of our design next week.
So you have heard a little bit about the mural?
A little bit.
Okay,
yeah.
So this is like the initial sketch part.
Okay.
This day is actually like a super important moment. It is when we present our very first edit of the sketch.
We walked around and asked students what they thought about it, how it made them feel.
This current sketch represents you.
We just met with faculty and asked them the same questions, and now we're meeting with staff.
Like disability and things you can't see.
It's really showing us some of our holes right now in our concept and in what we're showing.
It's cold here, so like snow.
Okay, yes. And we took that all into consideration, made a lot of changes. There's a lot of people that are now interacting.
It was really important that we had somebody very visibly who had a disability. So also making sure that everybody felt that they were represented in some way.
We incorporated that feedback, and I think we landed on the sketch. So we have set it up in the hallway of the art department.
Everybody's able to come down and help us paint.
We're painting the mural, like the base colors of it.
It's a giant paint by numbers.
Base in our complementary colors, and then we'll be putting the other colors on top.
Our U.S. geography students are helping to paint the mural.
We're trying to get the whole community involved.
I think it's cool that just regular students who aren't like art students are working on it.
We're all creating it together and it's speaking for everyone.
Because it's for all of us, it's not just for the school, it's for every individual who goes here.
The very last event that we had the alumni come. The campus was just announced that it was going to be closed because COVID was coming. And there was something so jubilant and beautiful, like remember this moment, to feed that part of us as we were going into this next moment of having to isolate. We have had to make so many shifts and adjustments due to this pandemic. We weren't able to have the students be on the wall with us installing the mural. We were able to have students who are part of our mentee group come and work on the overpainting.
Our campus is mostly closed. Everybody's forgotten about the mural because we've been so focused on COVID, and then they get on campus and there's the mural, and it's amazing.
I really love that this project is for everyone and everyone has a part in it.
An important part of the mural is the relationships. And I think that comes through both in the way that the mural was made, but also in the imagery.
Bringing all of these different backgrounds and communities and cultures together and putting it all together in one space, I think is going to change a lot about how we view Anoka-Ramsey and how important it is as a community college.